Hello,
Good afternoon, Reena. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, Reena. Today we have scheduled an interview for you, so are you okay with that?
Yes, I'm absolutely fine with that.
All right. So let's start your interview today. Uh, could you please help me out with your profile in 1 minute?
Yes, sure, why not? As you know, my name is Reena Sharma, and I'm basically from Varanasi, and from there only I've completed my master's in commerce and bachelor's also, and my class 12th and class 10th. My hobbies are I like singing, dancing, and traveling. I have an earlier experience in teaching,
Mm-hmm.
approximately 5 years.
That's good.
I also have a certified course in diploma in computer application,
Mm-hmm.
and that's it.
Right. So you said that you're having experience in teaching, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Could you please explain me the difference between a teacher and a trainer?
Okay, so a teacher is not a trainer because he or she explains the children the how phenomena or how a equation works. But
Mhm.
a trainer is a trainer because he or she knows that the person already knows the things,
Mm-hmm.
but he's training on the things which company needs from that candidate.
All right. And I'll give you a topic. You can speak on it for at least 30 seconds or so.
Okay, I'll try my best.
Okay. Could you please speak on the topic India?
Yes, I'll try. So India is a democratic company. Oh, sorry, India is a democratic country. Sorry, and various types of people lived here. Various types of foods are here. Various cultures are here, and there are many religions like Buddhism, Hinduism, Islamic, and uh,
Mm-hmm.
28 states are there in India,
Mm-hmm.
and various types of foods like South Indian eats dosa. They like dosa most,
Okay.
and North Indian like masala foods, spicy foods more, and also North Indian like the street food also. So,
Right.
um, and in a nutshell, India is a democratic company with various types of culture and religion.
All right. That's a good thing. Thank you for answering that. The next question would be about your hometown. So you said you're from Varanasi, right?
Yes, right.
Okay. So could you please cite some differences between Varanasi and Delhi?
Yes, and this is absolutely a easy question for me because the first thing is pollution. In Varanasi, as I think you also know that Varanasi is a small city as compared to Delhi.
Mm-hmm.
So Varanasi mostly belongs to that village type of area.
Mm-hmm.
So their pollution is very less because more vehicles are running on the center of the what I can say that Varanasi city, but near to the village area, very clear, very good air is there. But in Delhi, um, mostly in October and November, when Parali is being buried out there with the farmers,
Mm-hmm.
so Delhi is very polluted as comparison to Varanasi. The first thing is that. The second difference, the life in the Delhi is very hectic, and the daily schedules are, matlab, uh, the time is running like what I can say, like a tiger. How fast tiger runs. But in Varanasi, time is like you can feel and you can see that okay, for 1 hour I do this thing, and for the another hour I'm doing this.
Okay.
So this is the second difference. And the third difference is the people over here. Mostly the people are from Varanasi, Balia, and Mirzapur. The
Right.
peoples are also there in Delhi, but when they came to Delhi, their culture and their way of speaking changes according to Delhi culture. But the people over there, Varanasi, they are somewhat having a helping nature.
All right.
And what I can say that people are there over there are good. I'm not saying that people here is not good, but you can feel the difference when you meet one people from Varanasi and the other one from Delhi.
Okay.
So these are the main differences I can notice.
All right. That's great. Thank you for answering that question.
Thank you.
Why do you think I should hire you for the job?
As every candidate say that I will work hard and I am honest. So I am also saying it to you that I will work hard and I am honest towards my work. And as a fresher, I have not applied anywhere else earlier,
Right.
and I have not worked with any other company earlier. But I can prove it to you with my work, because if you can't see that
Right.
what I'm working, that how I'm working, so you can't judge on me that how good I am on my work or not.
Right.
So my work speaks on my behalf.
All right.
So that's all I want to say.
Well, thank you for answering all the questions, and it's really nice that we have spoken with you today and completed the interview.
Same here. Thank you.
Well, I thank you, and so shortly you will be given the feedback accordingly. All right?
Okay, sure.
Thank you for giving your interview, and you have a really nice day, Reena.
Same here. Thank you.